Hello everyone. Today, I came up with how to develop a flow from your SharePoint Online document library or list and that. You can trigger a flow from your document library or list without navigating to Flow Portal. This is a manual trigger, but you don't need to navigate to your Power Automate portal. There will be many scenarios where the user needs this, like for approval for selected item from your manager. This model works purely based on the selected item or selected file. So here I will show you how we can develop a flow from the document library, and that I will trigger from my SharePoint Online document library, and manager will get an email. Then they can either approve or reject the task. So let's get started. How can you create a flow from the document library without going to the Flow portal? This is my document library documents, which is an out-of-the-box document library. There I have 2 documents. I will go to the toolbar. From there, I will click on the 3 dots. Then from the Integrate menu, and I will go to Power Automate. From there, you could see, like, create a flow, see your flows, configure flows. I'll click on the Create a Flow. Then, I can see the flow creation templates. So whichever templates suits for your requirement, you can select from here. There are a few templates listed out here. So if these templates don't not fit your requirement, then expand this, show more list, then you can see more templates. And if you see still these templates are not fitting for your requirement, then you can click on this to see more templates, and then you'll be taken to template selection. Galleries, where you can see all templates from your tenant. Here, you can find a template for selected data trigger. The best way to find the template is type something like SharePoint selected or just selected, so that all selected related templates you will get to see. I am not going to spend more time on this. I will go back to my document library back. Here my requirement is I will create a flow, and once I trigger that flow for a particular file, my manager should get an approval task, and then he or she can. Then, the manager either this is my requirement, which I'll show you here in this demo. So I will pick this first template. What is that? Request manager approval for a selected file. So, I'll click on this. Now, I am redirected to Power Automate portal to create this flow. Request manager approval for a selected file. All the connections needed for this flow are showing as green ticked, which means connections are successful, so I don't need to spend much time here. Let's click on this Create Flow button. This is my flow. Your flow is ready to go. It's turned on and will run when it's triggered. Click on Got it. See the beauty of this model. The template itself implemented all the logics, so you don't need to do anything here. Just save it, and you can see your flow from SharePoint Online list or document library. So it's completely ready-made. No need to customize anything here for this approval process. So let us the actions of this flow. I'll click on the Edit button. Then my flow opens in edit mode. Okay. This is my flow, which got created automatically after selecting that Request Manager Approval template for a selected file, and let's expand this. So here is my site URL for selected file trigger. This is my site and document library, configured automatically. Configured. You can add a message for your manager approval. Something like, please approve this file. Manager will get this message, will get the approval task next. Here getting the file properties. For my selected file, then it is checking whether that file does exist or not. So, if not found, then it's terminating the flow. Here it is checking to get my profile to find my manager, then sending. Email notification. Here it is, terminate action. And then, here, handling the approval process. When the approver approves the task, the document creator gets approval notification, or if rejected, creator will get the rejection notification. This is all about this flow, and it is all completely automated. For my profile manager has not been configured. So, I'll just remove my profile and manager details. Stuff from this flow. Now, I will just remove this unwanted actions from this flow in order to work it successfully. Okay. See here, I'm just removing this one, and I just need start and approval. Action where I'll keep everything as is. All the parameters are dynamic came from the for a selected file trigger. Here just I will pass my email ID. Okay, then I'll check the if condition. For approval of rejection, I have this notification. This is mail connector. I have tested this out and this is not working my tenant. So what I'll do is instead of Mail connector. I'll use Outlook Send Email v2. So what I will do here is I will just add send an email. v2 and here in the to aisle. Pass created by. I'll select that created by email from Dynamic Content section. Created by email. Then I will just copy content of Mail Connector and paste in Send an Email v2 body. All right. I will disable this one. I need the same thing for rejection. I repeat here, I'll add one more. Send an email v2. In 2, from the dynamic content I will select created by email. Then I'll just copy whatever I have in this mail connector. I'll disable the mail connector. Okay, next I'll just test this flow. That's it. My flow is ready to be tested. All the configurations are done. I came back to my document library and selected a file. Click on the 3 dots. Go to Automate and I can see the request. Manager approval for a selected file. Flow is being listed out here, and this is another flow that I already had created earlier. So I selected my newly created flow here. Request for approval. My flow is getting ready to run. It is loading. All my connections are fine. Click on this Continue button. Then I see that the message what I have passed I did it in my flow configuration. I can see that manager message here. You can even change this message. I'll enter something like, please approve this file. It is urgent and I click on this Run Flow button. It is started flow. Request manager approval for a selected file. Request manager approval for selected file done. I will go to my flow. Run history. There I see. It is running. I'll check my email. Let's see. Not yet come. Yes, I got my email here. As a manager, I got an approval task. I can either approve or reject. I'll approve it. So let's click on the Approve button. In the comment added approved, click on the Submit button. The action completed successfully. Now I am supposed to get another email as a document creator. So, yes, I got it. Your manager has approved your request for this document and commented as approved. That's it, done. Thank you. This is how you can create your own flow for your document or list item from SharePoint Online. It is very easy to develop, and this is very useful for your business use case. Thank you. I hope it helped you and you liked it. If you would like to appreciate my efforts, please do like and subscribe to my channel.